Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the service model. That is, infrastructure as a service model is being explained now. Infrastructure as a service. Here, cloud infrastructure is the fundamental framework of hardware and software resources that empower cloud computing services. It also encompasses essential components like server, storage, networking, and virtualization, enabling business to securely store, process, and retrieve their data and applications in the cloud. Cloud infrastructure refers to the foundation of hardware and software resources that enable cloud computing services. Then it also provides the necessary infrastructure components such as servers, storage, networking, and virtualization for businesses to store, process, and access the data and application in the cloud. Here, infrastructure as a service will be using four types of methods. That is, first one is equipment. The next one is data center infrastructure. Then the third one is virtualization, and finally the system engineers, where they are going to find the data in it, and they will be dealing with the system. Here the various key components of infrastructure as a service are virtual machine, storage, networking, and the management tools. Virtual machines, it is nothing but these are virtual instances of computers that provide computing power, including a processing, memory, and storage on the demand. The next one is storage. Here, the infrastructure as a service offers scalable and reliable storage solutions that allow businesses to store and access data as needed. The next one is networking. In this networking, infrastructure as a service provides networking capabilities including virtual networks, which loads where the data load balancer on the firewalls to connect and secure the infrastructure. Then finally, management tools. Here in this platform will offer management tools that allows users to provision, monitor, and manage their infrastructure efficiently. Then the benefits for businesses, where the various benefits are scalability, cost savings, flexibility, and reliability. Scalability, here infrastructure as a service enables businesses to scale their infrastructure up or down instantly, providing agility and cost optimization. Cost savings, with infrastructure as a service, businesses can avoid the upfront costs of purchasing and maintaining physical hardware, paying only for the resources they consume. The next one is flexibility. Here, the infrastructure as a service allows businesses to choose the infrastructure components they need and customize their environments to meet specific requirements. Then, final one is reliability. It ensures high availability and redundancy, minimizing downtime and providing reliable infrastructure services. Then the various factors which is used for adopting infrastructure as a service are security, performance, vendor selection, data transfer, and integration. Security, here security is nothing but will be implementing robust security measures to protect data and applications, which is very essential. Then this includes access controls, encryption, and compliance with relevant regulations. Then next one is performance. Optimizing network performance, latency, and bandwidth is crucial to ensure a seamless user experience. The next one is vendor selection, which chooses a reputable and reliable infrastructure as a service provider that aligns with your business needs and offers adequate support and service level agreements. Then data transfer and integration. Consider the ease of transferring data to and from the infrastructure as a service environment and integrating it with other systems or the services. Then cloud infrastructure is simplified with infrastructure as a service, which serves the foundation for cloud computing services, enabling businesses to store, process, and access data and applications in the cloud. Then this provides virtualized computing resources, scalable storage, networking capabilities, and management tools. The key benefits of infrastructure as a service include scalability, cost savings, flexibility, and reliability. Then it also uses security, performance, vendor selection, and data transfer are the important consideration when adopting in infrastructure as a cloud services. These are the cloud service providers. Amazon, Google Platform, IBM Cloud, and Microsoft Azure are the important information infrastructure as a service provider. Use the cases of infrastructure as a service or development and testing environment, web and mobile applications, big data analytics, disaster recovery. Then assessment. Here will analyze the factors which is to be considered for adapting infrastructure as a service or the security, performance, vendor selection, data transfer, and the integration. Here will be optimizing network performance, latency, and bandwidth, crucial to ensure a seamless user experience. Then the last one is data transfer and integration. Here we'll consider the ease of transferring the data to and from the environment and integrating it with other systems or services. Thank you.